Hey all, wishing a very happy new year to each and everyone. I am getting ready for the new year party, and if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. After using my regular moisturizer, lip balm and primer, I am taking this Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and applying it under my eyes, over my eyelids, on my forehead, wherever I have dark spots and redness on my face, and blending it properly with the help of blending brush. Next, for my foundation, I am taking my favorite Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. It is absolutely gorgeous for normal to dry skin. Even it will work better on oily skin if you set it with a nice setting powder. And always remember one thing, whenever you apply foundation on your face, don't forget to apply it on your neck area also. To get that inner blushy look, I am taking Lakme 925 lip and cheek tint and applied it on my cheeks. And now smudge it with my fingers, and after that I am setting my entire face with a loose powder. With the help of Maybelline contouring stick, I am contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and I am blending it with my blending brush. I am not doing a harsh contour here, I am just giving a warmth to my face. You can use any kind of brush that you have, a fluffy brush or a sponge, wet sponge that you have available. With the help of same brush, I am setting my contour with the bronzing powder using Wet n Wild contouring palette here. For filling my brows, I am using Wet n Wild brow kit. For my eyes, for the transition shade, I am using the same bronzing powder over my crease area and blending it with the help of a small tapered blending brush. Taking the dark brown shade from the NYX Lil Launcher palette and applying it on the outer V corner of my eyelid and smudging it with the thin tapered blending brush. And I am not applying any kind of eyeshadow on the 3/4 area of eyelid. Using a big fluffy blending brush, I am blending these two eyeshadows together so there would be no harsh line. Applying this beautiful Nykaa K liquid eyeshadow on the remaining 3/4 part of my eyelid area. Using the same dark brown shadow from the NYX palette, I am smudging the line between these two eyeshadows. For my eyeliner, I am using this Lakme Insta liquid liner and drawing a thick line near my lash line. I am smudging this eyeliner with the help of a flat brush. For kajal, I am using Nykaa Kajal on my upper and lower waterline. To smudge out my lower lash line, I am taking the same dark brown shadow from the same palette. After curling my lashes, I am using this my favorite Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara and applying it on the lower and upper lashes of mine. For the blush, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Blush and applying it on my cheeks. For the Spinky Nude Lips, I am using Touch Up Spice from the brand Maybelline. To get that beautiful glow, using this Wet n Wild highlighter palette in the shade Precious Petals and applying it on the highest points of cheekbone, bridge of nose, forehead, inner corners of eyes and a tip of my nose. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look tutorial. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and show some love. Also, if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get that notification of my new video. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.